Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lubricate your butterfly knife. So this is going to be a really interesting video. This is for anyone that really enjoys knives, so I'll get right to it. So, when you play with your knife a lot, it probably gets a little bit squeaky. So anyways, this is how you lubricate it. Get yourself, it's called Iron Man heavy duty chain and cable. Okay, and then you just use a little bit. See, then it kind of bubbles up on there, and then you just work it in a little bit like this. Work it in. Then what you do is you wipe the excess off, and there you go. See? And then after you're done lubricating it, after you cut yourself, you grab the isopropyl alcohol, you put it on your wound, and then put a band-aid on it, and then you're good to go. You can start playing again. Well, maybe I shouldn't. Yeah, I probably shouldn't.